Bom-vindo em Tech Time com Arte Toledo. A noite também nós estamos com o tablet e como pessoa não mais roupa para o mercado. Roupa e tablet nós não portem tour, mas nós temos seguro basta de não para poder representar quase a maioria de tablet. Seguro dangue na nos sponsor não e na buscan com tawak nos. Siga-nos tour chamars mitar 7 de noite de maneira que nós por facilitar a informação na boa pessoa. Tablets. Tu rende para pedir tablets. Pode mirar diferente com tablet. Pode apontar que toma meu tablet ou computer. Se vamos passar bastante por seguir, algum de nos tablets que nós temos é a noite e outro não. Nós vamos começar com a Amazon. Amazon também tem seu tablet que nós vamos para over de dia, nós vamos acender, nós vamos sacar fora de cá, acender, para mirar com essa aqui atrás. E com facilidade seguro, ora bote uma chiquita, se você lá ganhar essa book, ou vídeo, tudo coisa educativo. Vamos te mostrar agora.
You can solve many issues with your Fire tablet by restarting or resetting your device. To restart your Fire tablet, press and hold the power button until the Power Off dialog box appears and select Restart. After your tablet shuts off, press the power button again to restart. If restarting does not solve your issue, or if your tablet is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for a full 40 seconds until the tablet powers off and restarts. Depending on which tablet you have, you may need to press the power button again to restart your device. If your Fire tablet is still unresponsive, try charging your device using your power adapter before restarting it. The battery icon will show a lightning bolt to indicate that your device is properly charging. If the battery icon does not show your device is charging, make sure that the power cable is fully inserted into your device and that the power adapter is securely inserted into the power outlet. If you are still having problems, try plugging your power adapter into a different power outlet to make sure the outlet is working properly. When your tablet is fully charged, try restarting your device again. If you are having trouble seeing your content, such as photos that you don't believe are yours, verify that your tablet is registered to the correct account. Open Settings and then My Account. If you see the wrong account listed, tap Deregister and deregister again to confirm. Select Register to log in and register the tablet to the correct account. To fix a problem with an app on your device, go to the Apps and Notification menu in Settings to manage, sync, and update it. Tap Manage All Applications and select the app you wish to manage. Choose to force stop, uninstall, clear data, or clear cache if you are having a problem. Clearing data does not delete the app. However, your saved information, such as game scores, may be lost. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, you can try resetting your Fire tablet to the factory default settings. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap Settings. And then tap Device Options. Tap Reset to Factory Defaults and then Reset. Resetting to factory default removes your personal information, Amazon account information, and downloaded content from the device. Your digital content purchased from Amazon will still be securely stored in your Amazon Cloud library and available for you to re-download after you reset your device.
Navigating your Fire. Your home screen contains your search bar and apps grid. Swipe your finger up and down to scroll between pages of your installed apps. To reorganize your home screen, press and drag apps to move them around or group apps together in folders by dragging one directly on top of another. Newly installed apps are automatically added to your home screen. To remove an app or item from your device, press and hold it from Home and then tap Uninstall from the top pop-up bar. Pre-installed applications cannot be removed. Swipe and tap a category to view related content. You can also switch between categories by swiping left or right on the screen. The content category pages display your recent items as well as personalized lists to help you find new content. Tap Library to access all of your content, or tap Store to browse and shop for new content. The Shop category page connects directly to the full Amazon store. The navigation bar contains Back, which returns you to your previous screen, Home, which returns you to the previous category page or the home screen, and Task Switcher, which lets you switch between tasks and recent activities. If you're reading or using other functions and do not see the navigation bar, tap the center of the screen or swipe up from the bottom to bring it into view.
Using the Silk browser. Once you've connected your Fire tablet wirelessly, open the Silk browser by tapping the Silk icon from your home screen. In the address bar, type the web address or URL of the site you want to visit. Silk will suggest sites based on your default search engine. Tap a website to go to it, or tap the Go icon on the keyboard when you've finished typing the web address. Swipe from the left edge of the screen to access your bookmarks, history, downloads, and settings. History will show you a list of websites you previously visited on your device. Tap the trash can icon and then Clear Data to delete your history, cookies, cache, and other stored browsing information. The Settings menu contains additional controls for customizing your Silk browser, including setting the default search engine and additional data and privacy options. The Silk browser offers other basic navigation features, such as Reload, which refreshes the page you are viewing, Home, which returns you to your home page, and Bookmark, which bookmarks the current page you are viewing. The plus icon will open a new browsing tab, and the X icon will close a tab. The menu in the URL bar contains additional features and settings, such as the forward and back buttons, which take you to the next or previous page, Save to Reading List, which saves a page for offline viewing, and Enter Private Browsing. Pages you view when using private browsing will be automatically removed from your browser's history when you exit private browsing. You can also add a bookmark, share, print, and request the desktop version of the sites you visit. In most cases, you can zoom in and out of websites by pinching inwards and outwards on the screen.
Mira quanto costa a Amazon Tasi, a Amazon tablet. Baguste? Nós também outro mais também que hobby bom. É só aqui tá de Apple. Quando ele tem Apple, não tem iPhone, não tem iPad, não tem iWatch, diferente produto a vendia de Apple. Pero tem um programa que nós também atender com 2 devices de Apple. Nós tem é para mim que é mais chiquito do Apple não. Tá é Apple iPad Mini 6. Tá é mais chiquito, mais novo, mais moderno, agora que arriba ao mercado. Você conhece essa aqui, o que tá algo para você? Vamos demonstrar.
And now let's talk about iPad Mini. There's simply no other device like iPad Mini. It gives users all the power of iPad in its most portable form, which makes it indispensable for a wide range of uses, like when it's secured to the leg of a pilot in flight, or pulled from a doctor's lab coat to care for patients in the ER. iPad Mini is in a class of its own. And today we're giving our littlest iPad its biggest upgrade ever. Introducing the all-new iPad Mini.
Keeping it fresh, keeping it cool, like it's 1992. Move your shoes, drop the dues. You object, overrule. We came to move. What did she say? We came to move. We came to move. That's for sure.
As Tim said, we're giving iPad Mini a huge set of updates. A complete redesign that puts everything our users love about iPad right in the palm of their hand. The all-new enclosure features a beautiful all-screen design with narrow borders and elegant rounded corners. The design is remarkably thin and light and absolutely stunning. An iPad mini now comes in a gorgeous array of new colors: purple, pink, starlight, and space gray. And this design features a brilliant liquid retina display. With this new design, we were able to increase the screen size all the way out to 8.3 inches, while keeping the same compact footprint with wide color, true tone, 500 nits of brightness, and the lowest reflectivity in the industry. Everything you view on iPad mini will look great wherever you go. And delivering this edge-to-edge screen meant finding a new location for Touch ID. So just like iPad Air, we put it right in the top button of iPad mini. Touch ID is fast, easy, and secure, whether you're unlocking your iPad or using Apple Pay. iPad mini is already the fastest device of its kind. And the performance of the new iPad mini is simply remarkable. Compared to the previous generation, the new iPad mini sees a 40% jump in CPU performance and a whopping 80% leap in GPU performance. So whether you're using ForeFlight to navigate your flight plan with live wind speed overlays, or playing the graphically rich game Star Wars Hunters online with your friends, the new iPad mini will power right through it with ease. And the Neural Engine for powerful machine learning applications also takes a big leap forward on the new Mini, increasing performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. Combined with the CPU and the GPU, the Neural Engine enables apps to deliver next-level experiences, like the new Translate app in iPadOS 15, which can automatically translate a conversation in real time. The performance of the new iPad mini is on a whole new level. And we know that iPad users rely on ultra-fast connections. Well, the most mobile iPad is about to get a lot faster and even more versatile. iPad mini now has a USB-C port, so you get the same great USB-C functionality that we brought to iPad Air, which means it's up to 10 times faster than its predecessor. So iPad mini can now connect to a vast ecosystem of USB-C accessories, which is great. Whether you're a photographer who needs to connect to cameras when shooting on location, or a doctor in a remote area using Butterfly to conduct an ultrasound. And when users are on the go, it's crucial to have access to the fastest cellular connections. And that's why we're bringing 5G to iPad mini. Download speeds can be up to 3.5 gigabits per second. This is key when you need to stay connected on the go. Like when technicians use Splunk AR on site to access real-time data, performance analytics, and complex schematics. Or if you're using SharePlay to take a masterclass with your friends. 5G keeps you connected. Next, let's talk about the cameras and audio. Users rely on iPad mini for FaceTime, taking photos and videos, and experiencing AR. So we've updated both the front and back cameras. The back camera now features a 12-megapixel sensor with focused pixels and a larger aperture to capture sharp, vivid photos. And we added a true tone flash to Mini for improved photos in low light. With a new ISP, users will see enhanced photos with Smart HDR, which improves image quality by recovering details in shadows and highlights. And now, with the ability to record in 4K, iPad mini becomes your mobile movie studio. On the front, iPad mini features the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which means it also supports center stage. As Melody mentioned, this has been a huge hit on iPad Pro, and now it's coming to iPad mini. And iPad mini also features a new speaker system with stereo in landscape. Great for listening to your favorite playlist or doing an Apple Fitness Plus workout in your hotel room. And iPad mini's versatility is further enhanced by its amazing accessories. There's a new set of slim Smartfolio covers in beautiful coordinating colors that complement the new iPad mini finishes. Perfect for expressing your personal style. And now, iPad mini supports the amazing second generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side of iPad mini, so it's always connected, charged, and with you. Apple Pencil transforms iPad mini into your digital sketchbook. We're so excited about the new iPad mini. Let's see it in action.
GNS Tours com diferentes tours para 2022. Nós vamos começar com Alaska Tour. De 9 para 22 de setembro de 2022, GNS Tours tem uma excursão para Alaska e logo visitar a atração única na Seattle. Na Seattle, lo sobe o cruzeiro Carnival Spirit rumbo para Alaska. Viaje através de algum de paisajes mais espetacular no mundo. Preço começa por de 5.749 florins per persona. Mardi Gras Cruise. Em ter anos, GNS Tours te oferece a oportunidade para uma vacação riba Mardi Gras. Kota é o primeiro barco cruzeiro de primeira classe e também é um dos mais grandes da flota de companhia de Carnival Cruise. Preço está for de 3.499 florins per persona. Medellín, aqui GNS Tours lo visita Medellín. Vários viagens e nos deseja para Abo também está presente conosco. O cliente tem a oportunidade para visitar parte de Medellín e combinar isso aqui com chequeio médico, junto com guia. Preço está for de 2.299 florins per persona. Niagara Falls, também GNS Tours tem para 2.699 florins. Toma contato conosco na 513-4146 para mais informação.
Crescer com companhia sem fazer uso de muito online é quase impossível. Assim, nós ainda meio busca bem focus em o que tem na last página. Sem a branding, website ou criar propaganda no apresentar em companhia, nós temos essa aqui. Tanto temos a focus em o que é meu produto e serviço, nós não só de atrair cliente novo para o online. Então, tá claro, para crescer com companhia de 2022, toma contato conosco.
Vamos mirar com fácil tá para ter um iPad demo man, gewoon demo man, completamente demo man. Por cinta, drumi, lesa, esta duche coisa que tá. Também as coisas é Samsung. Por cinta e lesa, gewoon de man bota assim. Pero se você quer algo mais grande ainda, para apresentar diferente caminho, tem o iPad Pro. Quando é mais grande ainda, tem uma grandura quase de um laptop. Porque man conhece o iPad Pro não tem, agora que arriba ao mercado, para o 4 é um que está dentro, mais fácil de montar, mais milhão de trabalho, vamos aqui. iPad Pro. Para poder na Apple Store, você mira na mesura riba e mensa na dilante, como vai teste e o coisa aqui na tra. Então, chip de M1 que tá hopi mais lie, hopi mais duche para trás com ele, caminha para produzir hopi mais. Então, porta é por reemplaçar o laptop. Por motivo que vou pôr keyboard na G, vou pôr turbo device na outro que vou desejar na G, vou pôr arriba G, vou pôr mouse, vou ter pen, depois vou pôr ele como touchscreen, então é hopi mais fácil para pôr traco, né? Então pantalla bastante grande, vou ter 10.9 e 10.2.9 e tá algo sumamente duche para traco, né? Tu vou notar a pantalla com a pinta esquibi com essa aqui cor. Popo notu lá também com cinta plata boa notu lá, popo no keyboard tekenen je dus vou por usar tur caminha tur momento tá algo sumamente great com por travel com ele e na vou bureau também vou por compra diferente acessório para ser mais fácil possível para boa pessoa que na vou tomar outra diferença entre um laptop com um tablet de maneira que toch é por tam quase mesma coisa. Essa aqui é iPad Pro 2022. Assim na tablet. Dessa hora que tu rene conhece isso aqui que tá tablet. Vou mirar um saca portrait com tablet, vou mirar um track com tablet. Você que é tem mistério de essa aqui e tá para ser elas coi é marca que tá mais melhor para é por esse uso de dia. Danke para seguir-nos a noite e queda pendiente. Outra semana nós temos coisas hopi interessante mesmo. Não perde-nos. Feliz noite e danke seguro na tua sponsor. Até outra semana, já mais me tarde com Deus.